Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today in our kitchen we are going to make a very tasty egg gravy. Let us see the ingredients. 1 cup of finely chopped onions, 2 tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, some coriander leaves and curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 cinnamon, 3 clove and 1 cardamom, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds and salt for taste. Switch on the stove and place 1 kadai. Now I am going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we can add the whole spices. Once it's cracked well, we can add 1 cup of finely chopped onions. Saute well until the onions becomes golden brown. Into this, I am going to add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, some curry leaves, half a teaspoon of ginger paste and half a teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute well until the tomatoes become smashable. Now the raw smell of ginger garlic paste went off. This is the right stage to add the masalas. Now I am going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 3 tablespoons of chilli powder. Mix it once. Now I am going to add 1 cup of coconut paste. Mix it well and add enough water. Finally, we can add some salt for our taste. Let it be cooked for 10 minutes. Now 10 minutes over, the masala also cooked very well. This is the right stage to add the eggs. Add the egg one by one. Add slowly, then only it will not scramble. Close the lid and let it be cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. Now one side cooked very well. I am going to turn the egg one by one. Let the other side also be cooked for 2 minutes. Close the lid. 2 minutes over. Now both the sides of the egg cooked very well. Finally, we can sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. That's all. Our egg gravy is almost ready. It's an excellent combination for idli, dosa, roti and chapati. Now our egg gravy is ready to serve. Let me taste it. It's very soft and it's cooked very well. Wow, it's really very good and it's very tasty with chapati. Please try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.